Masinas also producing from that side of the court as Sablaon knocks down that three. Victoria now being double teamed by Malyapre and Monsalve. Passes it to Bragais. Pulls up from the corner. Got it! Genmar Bragais with 9 points in game 2. Ariate with the ball. Malyapre to magpantay. He has been quiet here the third. He fires this long three. Got it! Then Verman magpantay. Knocks down another three. Victoria with the offensive rebound. Against Monsalve. 10 on the shot clock. Victoria triple team. Ariate with a steal. Ariate passes it. Magpantay the long two. He scores! Back-to-back hits for Verman Magpantay. 15-point lead. Gomez, the drive. Too strong on the layup. Victoria with the rebound. The putback is good. 10 on the shot clock. Ariate against Bragais. Passes it to Malyapre. Drives over Victoria. Monsalve with a short stab. 13 for Camsor. And the ball off the foot of Magpantay. Here comes Bragais. A chance at a Blaze 3. And that's a Blaze 3 for Nico Santos. Ariate. Malyapre with the screen. Ariate draws a double team. Wide open is Eugene. Malyapre knocks down that jumper. Ticas with the home court advantage here in the finals. They are now on the ropes here in game 2 as Bragais converting on that pull-up jumper. Abonete with 4 fouls. Now Malyapre with 5. Bragais for 3. And Genmar Bragais now starting to heat up. Matos still at the backcourt. Matos attacks, kicks it out. Malyapre, jumper is good, and that's huge for Camsur. And now on the run is Can. Blaze 3 for Lancer Can. And finally, coming up empty. Here's Bragais for the lead. Air ball. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria in trouble. And that's a turnover for Ticas. Ariate against Bragais to Abonete, to the lane. Oh, and a hard fall by Abonete. And they will review this one. Possible flagrant foul. That will be 2 free throws plus possession as we take a look at this drive by Abonete. And Gomez hits Abonete in the face as he tried to stop. We have the Express up by 7 points. Here's Manalang. Kana with the ball on top. This is a long three. And Lancer Can. Another three from way out. Bragais crosses the timeline. Bragais at left against Abonete. Bragais fakes up and under. Pass to Manalang. Manalang with this drive, kicks it out. Nico Santos from the outside, and it raised the three. Sablaon, the drive to the basket. Nice defense by Ganya. And here's Can. A chance for the lead. Bragais with a Blaze 3. Is now in front, but first watch this. Can with that cold-blooded three over Abonete, and then that was followed by another three by Nico Santos, and then crowd erupts as Genmar Bragais making that Blaze 3. We have a timeout. Fresh 14 for Camsur. Matos with his drive, kicks it out. Masinas short on the three. Rebound by Ganya. Here's Genmar Bragais with the ball. Escape Sablaon. Bragais now at the right corner. Pampanga on a 9-0 run. Manalang thinking 3. Can for 3. It is short. Ganya tries to tip it in. And there's a foul. Abonete is down. Foul on Bragais. And now now Abonete goes back to the bench. He will replace John Abonete and Arriete. Or Arriate will shoot a pair. A delay of game warning for Ticas. 3 seconds remaining in game 2. Arriate, first free throw. It's for the tie. Masinas with the offensive rebound and the follow-up. And Kamsur is now in front. Wow, all of a sudden Kamsur back with the lead. Manalang to Ganya. There's a foul. And Magpantay with a foul, challenging that dunk attempt by CJ Ganya. Free three, but now Ganya will shoot 2 free throws instead. Ganya, the former NBL MVP, he nails the first. And now we are tied. Ganya, look at that numbers. 9 points, 11 rebounds for the former NBL MVP. No go, rebound by Masinas. So we are tied at 99. Bounce pass to Masinas against Ganya, thinking 3. Masinas still with the ball. Hand up to Sablaon. 5 on the shot clock. Sablaon attacks Ganya, and Ganya with the block. And that's off Sablaon. It's going to be Ticas ball. Ticas with a 1-0 lead in this series. Ticas looking for a 2-0 lead. After this game, Kamsur looking to tie. Ganya sees an opening. He stops. And now here is Manalang against Matos. Kicks it out to Bragais. Bragais for the lead. It is short. Arriate with a rebound. Kamsur with a chance here to take the lead. Matos being bothered by Bragais. Look at that defense. Matos escapes. Arriate with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Arriate passes it to Habonete. 7 to shoot. Habonete against Santos. Habonete shot is good! Jan Habonete gives Kamsur the lead. Ticas with a chance to respond. Bragais the drive to Ganya. Santos can. Ganya fakes. Pass to Manalang. 12 on the shot clock. Manalang throws up a prayer and he will shoot 2 free throws. Seconds left. Pressure pack free throws for Jasper Manalang. And he has been automatic so far at the foul line. Second free throw is good. We are tied once again. And Ticas is pressuring right now. Masinas. Double team at the corner. Wild pass to Masinas. Tiptoeing in front of the Kamsur bench. Almost a turnover for Kamsur. With the ball. Pass to Arriate. They go to Habonete again at the post against Victoria. 10 on the shot clock. Habonete against Victoria. Takes this jumper. It does not fall. But Arriate gets the rebound. Fresh 14. Matos for 3. No go. Loose ball. It's with Arriate. Arriate now being pressured. They go to Habonete. Only 14 seconds left on the game clock. We are tied at 101. 4-second differential between the clocks. Arriate against Bragais. And the ball is off Ticas. It's going to be Kamsur ball with only 7 seconds left against the Taguig Generals. He will inbound the ball. Arriate looking to trigger the ball in. They go to Sablaon. 2 on the shot clock. Sablaon pulls up. No go. Who gets the rebound? It's with Kamsur. 4 seconds remaining. Pagpantay. Sablaon. 2 seconds. Sablaon for the win! For the win! Sablaon nails the 3. And Kamsur looks like they have tied the series. We will wait for the official word. Look at the slow-mo. And looks like it got off in time. And that will count. Sablaon, the hero of game 2. But I think the game is not yet over. There is still time remaining. .3 on the clock, they say.
Timeout, Team West, Kapampangan.
And Tikas has scored for this timeout. Bragais will inbound. Ganya for the tie. Does not fall. And Kamsur has tied the series at 1 apiece.